guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be breaking down everything I packed in my backpack for the Tour du Mont Blanc. So stick around and see what I packed, what I used, and what I didn't use for the trek. Hi guys, I'm just here getting ready for our TMB trip. That's the Tour du Mont Blanc hike that we talked about in some of our videos. So right now I'm just going to give you a packing list of what I'm planning to bring in my backpack on the trip. So Ellie. Ellie. That's going to be on YouTube. I am actually going to be carrying my own bag. We're not using any porter services or anything like that. So we're trying to keep it fairly light, but also convenient for us. So right now, this is pretty much everything I plan to bring in my pack. This is my pack right here. This is the Osprey Mira 32. And I just think this is like the perfect size for through hiking, where it's not too big and not too heavy. It does have the water system inside, but I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it, just because I feel like filling a bladder and carrying that extra weight the whole time might be a little unnecessary, since there's like spots to fill up your water along the way. So I'm not sure yet. That I'm going to decide soon. Next, on to the rest of the stuff. Right here I have a pair of hiking pants I plan to bring. These can also double as like bed pants if I wanted to wear pants to bed. I don't know the temperature of the refuges or refugios yet, so just kind of planning ahead with that. Next, I have a UV protection sun shirt with a hood. It's a long sleeve shirt, and this also could double as like just a long sleeve to warm me up on like colder mornings or when we get back to the huts at night. Next, I have a pair of sunglasses. So at the refugios or refuges, I'm probably pronouncing them wrong, but you do have to bring a sleeping bag liner. It is required. So I have the silk Frauent from Amazon. It was around like $60-$70. It seems pretty good. It's a little bit on the cheaper end compared to like Sea to Summit, Silk, and some other brands. Hopefully I'll like that. Next, I am bringing a hip pack or a bag. This I'll just take out at like the mountain huts, like to put my passport, money, whatever the case may be that I want to have on me. Next, we have a like quick drying towel. So I'm bringing this for like the showers and whatnot, because I don't think they provide them. So hopefully they don't, so I'm not just carrying this for nothing. Next, I am bringing wilderness wipes, just because I love these for hiking. They're great for your face or arms or whatever if you get dirty legs or whatnot, because I do plan on hiking in shorts. Next, I have a pair of shorts for bed. These I do plan to wear to bed as long as it's, you know, kind of hot. These could also double as extra hiking shorts if I needed them. Probably won't, but just good to have. Next is my hiking shorts. So I have just a pair of hiking shorts with some built-in briefs. And then I have two Patagonia shorty hiking shorts. So I know typically people recommend only bringing like 2 pairs of hiking shorts, but I plan to bring a little bit more, just because I'd rather have a little bit extra weight and do less laundry. I might regret it, but I heard that feedback a couple times, so I'm going with it. Next, I have just 3 quick dry hiking t-shirts. I'm just doing hiking in the t-shirts. I don't plan on doing any tank tops, just because the backpack shoulder straps always irritate me when I have tank tops, so I'm just going to do the t-shirts. Next, I have a cooler cloth. This is just a hygienic towel when you go to the bathroom outside. It's for females. So I heard it's great. That way you don't have to bring toilet paper or leave anything behind. You just pack it up and take it with you. So we'll see how that is. I don't know if we'll need it, but I've heard great things about it. Next, I have Compeed, just in case any blisters occur. Just want to be prepared. So I did get some like fingerless hiking gloves. They are also a little bit warm, like if you needed to warm up, not winter gloves or anything, but just something. And then also to prevent like blisters if my hands are sweating. I do also have a little tiny like microfiber towel, just to like wash my face if I need to. I don't know if we'll need this, but it's like weighs nothing, so we don't mind bringing it. I have the Inijini toe socks. I love these things. These are like game changer for hiking and blisters. I have 2 ankle versions and then like a full leg version. And then I also have, so I have 3 of the regular Inijis, and then I have 1 pair of the Inijini sock liners, and then Darn Tough socks, just in case my feet need a break from the toe socks or something different. This is probably more than most people would bring, so if you're someone trying to be like super conservative with what you're bringing, I wouldn't bring 4 pairs of socks, but we like to have fresh socks. I know you can wash them, I just don't think these dry as quickly as like the clothes will, so that's why I'm bringing a little extra. Next I have some knee support. So I have 2 different kinds. I have this one that I got off Amazon, so it goes around your knee like top and bottom, and then it's also got like a little compression on the sides, and then just a sleeve. I actually have a little bit of knee problems or strain sometimes, so I'm bringing these. And next I have just Neosporin with pain relief, just in case like my toes hurt or anything like that. Some Micellar water just to wash my face. And then I just have like this athletic REI hat. It's a quick dry hat. I do like it, but when I've been out in the sun hiking with it, it seems to make my head really hot. I think it might be because of the color, so I might get a different color if I can, but definitely recommend bringing a hat. Also, I have some rain pants. I've used these before. They work pretty good. They do also keep in a lot of heat, so it might double as if we were to get a storm or anything like that. I don't know if that would happen, but I have heard it has happened in the past. So I'll definitely bring these, and I'll probably keep them like towards the outside of my bag so I can grab them quick. So these are going to be the hiking shoes I hike in. These are the Salomon speed crosses. I've hiked in Salomon speed crosses before, and they've been amazing, so I'm hoping that these are just as amazing as they were the first few times, so fingers crossed. And then I have my Birkenstocks. These I'm going to probably just hang off my backpack. I'll throw these on when we get to like the refuges at the end of the day. I think that's really all I'm going to bring in my backpack. I'll probably pack some electrolytes, maybe a few energy or protein bars. And I will also pack some Kachava. It's a protein powder, and it has like a multivitamin in it. I use that every day. I don't eat red meat or poultry, so that helps to get the nutrients and the protein. And if I can't get that on trail, or if I need more food, because I have heard some people feel like they didn't eat enough at lunch, so that'll just be helpful to have. I probably won't bring the whole bag just to eliminate some weight. I don't know if we'll wish we took more, wish we took less. So we are going on the trail in about a week. I'm gonna finish like packing all this up into different packing cubes to organize it in my bag, and then I also have to pack separately for like before and after the trip. But this is everything I'm bringing. Hi guys, as you can see, I am back from the TMB. I just wanted to pop in and give an update from when I did my original packing list. I did pretty much use everything that I packed. I did leave 1 pair of shorts behind. I did also bring sunscreen for my body and sunscreen for my face as well. And then, not pictured in the first video, I did also bring my 32-ounce Just Go water bottle. It's just a BPA-free plastic water bottle. It's super lightweight. This is actually my brand that I sell on Amazon. It is one that I carry, and I really like it. Mike also brought his. He has a green one, and it's just super nice because of the size. So you can do filtered water and then pour it into this, and you have this one and then a filtered water bottle. So we brought this one, and then I also brought the Be-Free water bottle, the filtered BPA-free plastic. It's like collapsible when it's not filled. Those are the 2 water bottles we did bring with us. We did bring our rain pants on the trek with us, but we ended up not having to use it at all. We didn't get any rain. We got like a little drizzle, so we had to put our rain jacket on once, but it was so hot that we would have been just completely like drenched under the rain pants anyways from sweating. So either way, I don't know if we would have wore them even if it was raining heavy, but it doesn't hurt to bring them just because I have heard that there can be storms and pretty bad ones on the the trail. We fortunately did not encounter any and had a great trip. I think the packing list we did do, I feel like it was great for us. It was just enough clothes, not too many, and we washed them. I think it was like every other day. And yeah, it worked out really well. We did only need to use our liner once because we had private rooms most of the time. But if you have any questions for me, just leave them in the comments. I might have missed something. I don't think I did. Besides that, I did not end up using my Mira 32 pack. I ended up getting a little bigger one because it was going to be too tight and it just wasn't working out with how I was packing. So I did get a bigger one. So it was the Kyte 38 pack that I ended up bringing instead of my Mira backpack. And I felt like that was a great size. It was everything I needed for this trek. There was one other thing that I wanted to mention that I brought that I didn't end up using, and that was the Kula cloth, which is just a sanitary cloth for ladies to use. I didn't end up needing it because there are bathrooms along the trail and I never had to go outside. So it's totally up to you if you want to bring it or not. It's so lightweight that I think it's worth bringing if you are just unsure. I would probably bring it again just to be on the safe side because it is so lightweight. But that's pretty much it that we brought that we didn't use. So I felt pretty good about our packing list. We didn't bring a bunch of stuff that we didn't use. Pretty much everything we did use, and it worked out great. If this video was helpful at all, or if it is beneficial for your planning, please hit that like button and please subscribe. I'll have lots more backpacking and trekking trips on our channel. We do lots of travel videos, but we definitely love the thru hiking and hiking trips. So definitely subscribe and we'll take you along the adventures with us. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on our next adventure.